What's up, hikers? As I sit here at home, healing from my previous hiking injury, I thought I'd throw together a best of 2023 top 5 hiking compilation video. Starting out at number 5, Gusai Mountain and Carlo Loop hike. Looks like a grouse, maybe? It's okay. It's okay. You're so cute. I'm not gonna hurt you, but you should fly away. I'm on the summit of Goose. It's pretty windy up here. I'd say gusts are gusting. But finally made it to the second highest peak. I hope you guys can hear me over this loud. This trail was beautiful. Down to number 4, Mount Jefferson, White Mountains, New Hampshire, Presidential Range. A few switchbacks up the slope, then I believe we'll be sitting right next to Mount Clay, and then we'll head right over to Jefferson. This is epic. I love it. Getting to try out my new goggles today for this bright sun, and they're perfect. S3s. I think I would have been blind without them. And if this cloud cover clears off, I'll be all the more thankful. This is just beautiful. Thank you, Jesus, for this day. You are amazing. Your creation is wonderful. Just popped out a tree line. Like I'm getting super close, even though it's kind of high up there. I think it's only going to take about 30 or 45 more minutes. I'm following my comrade Fred, crushing this mountain. All day, no wind whatsoever, and earlier I was actually hoping for some wind because I was so warm. I took my weather meter out to take the temperature, and it had been sitting in a mesh pocket, so like out in the breeze for hours, and it said 60 degrees, super hot. No wind today, it's amazing. Now for number 3, Gothic Peak,
North Cascades, Washington State.
I don't know, I've done same elevation gain in the White Mountains, and this feels different. It's like, I think the way they cut the trail. No, Maine and New Hampshire.
Oh, those ones. Just north of Death Valley.
Oh, yeah.
And I have to go there. I have yet to be there when it wasn't winter. You couldn't get up in there. This year it wasn't. But I met a lot of people there. Yeah, you have to sign by us so it makes sense.
Do what?
You gotta spell this out by us. We're at the top of the page. Doing great.
We're gonna step to the left.
We're almost there.
Yeah, we're here. That's good. Can you get around that?
You guys are a great example.
We're halfway down to our packs.
Yeah. It's funny. Halfway down, the halfway to the half of the half. Of the half.
Yeah, it is the hand, you know, the four.
I feel like we stuck pretty close to our path. Very good.
Yeah, way to bring us back.
Thank you, Jim.
That's some help with gravity. There's a pitch on that.
Okay.
None of this is. This is nothing here's real fast. Even that ridge.
Well, that ridge, the only thing was, if you did mess up, you're going to slide a ways.
No, Al, you weren't up on it. It was easy.
Oh, I went around it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was much easier to walk the way we went versus the way you went.
The class 3 route down instead of the class 2 scree field, which was very loose rock, very dangerous. I'm following Al, Erica, and Jim, some hiking comrades that I've met on the trail who are wonderful.
It does. So I do my stuff, I try to do it every day. And because I was telling him, if I were to get my strength and exercise, I should be on this side. Yep. Yeah, that's true. You don't know what's around the corner. How you doing?
Good, thank you. Just taking it slow.
Yeah, good idea.
Now for number 2, Mount Washington, White Mountains, New Hampshire, Presidential Range.
I'm hiking to Mount Washington right now, the Ammonoosuc Ravine Trail. I'm gonna head up to the Lake of the Clouds Hut and reassess the weather. And if it's decent, I'm gonna head to the summit. I'm super excited. This is my first time here. And the weather's beautiful. It's unusually warm today.
And finally for number 1, Mount Madison, White Mountains, Presidential Range, New Hampshire, on 2 occasions, starting with a bad weather summit, followed by the most amazing bluebird winter day that I've ever hiked. My absolute favorite.